and you didn't pour through. Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Look at me,
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So today we're about to be throwing the body kit on the Fox body. You guys seen the whole dilemma with them only sending me freaking a rear bumper and side skirts. They didn't send my front bumper. They actually sent me 2 rear bumpers. So I gotta deal with that when I can get in contact with somebody. But as of today, we are gonna start mounting this kit up. I know a lot of people are about to start seeing this kit and be like, oh, you ruined the car, blah, blah, blah. People always say that. People, anytime you're ready to start something that they can't visualize, it's always you ruined the car. So I'm expecting that in the comments. I'm expecting, oh, I like stock Fox bodies, blah, blah, blah. I'm already prepared for all that. But I have a vision with this. And I think when everything's all said and done, when it's all together, I think this is going to look sick. I think I'm picturing it in my head. And I want this to be a Fox body that stands out from the rest. So I think what I have planned for this thing is going to be pretty dope. So this is going to be the first segment of this. We're going to start getting this body kit on. Everything is polyurethane, so it has some flex. It's not fiberglass, which is dope, and I love that. So yeah, let's open up this garage, pull this thing back, and then we're going to start mocking this kit up and waiting and getting prepared for everybody to say it's ugly. I'm ricifying the Fox body, all that. We know it's coming. Fox Body Pierce is gonna jump in the comments. Feel free to leave all your hateful comments on how you don't like it down below. And then once it's all done, you guys will be back saying, oh my God, I fucking love it, bro. I couldn't picture it before, but now I love it. It's growing on me. It always grows on them. Same for the C6. People hated the design when they seen it. And then it was like, oh my God, it looks sick. It's in here, man. It's in here. This big noggin is where all the great ideas are. All right, let's pull this thing out. You can hear this little turbo still spooling. Oh, thank you, bro.
You a vlogger or something?
Yup.
What's your YouTube?
Mike, M-I-K-E space M-Y-K-E. Always get the kids coming over for the YouTube channel, man. You ain't just about to ask me for the channel and not subscribe, little mans. Oh, come on.
My bad.
Yeah, there you go. I expect to see you in a comment on this video like, hey, that was me. That just, you feel me? You popping willies on this thing or what?
Not really, but I can surf on it.
Let me see. Do something. Do something for the vlog real quick. Said he gonna surf on it. Let's see what he got. Okay. I see you. Don't fall on the vlog, bruh. I laugh at kids. What's up? Which one? You pop willies? You don't pop willies either? Damn. You the only one that do tricks, little bruh?
I guess.
Man. Hey, pull that thing up though. That was like me and Aaron and them back in the day. That's why I love seeing kids on bikes, man. They ain't sitting there glued to the video games and just sitting there playing Fortnite. They actually out active, trying to pop willies and stuff. Back in my day, we was skateboarding, all kind of shit. So it's good to see active kids still out here, man. But all right, let's get to commencing and getting on the Fox. Ricer Fox coming now. Nita, you gonna come help? Oh God, here come the doggies. Hey, you Nas, now you know better. Inside, little nigga. No, inside. You come outside for it. You know better. I'm gonna grab this, and we need a self-tapper slapper. Take this guy. My little helper, can you grab this, please? My young elf. Grab that top side skirt right there. Thank you. Let's take this thing over to the. Oh shit! I drilled through my damn arm. Anybody with a fox body know doing this is risky, boy. I'm gonna make sure I get mine reinforced. All right, let's line that thing up. You gotta go under the door on the back side. Here, go to the front. Let it go. All right, hold on. Let me set this down. What? You got attitude? You don't want to help a nigga? You got it up. They gonna say it's ricer, huh? The rice thing?
No.
You know my vision, huh?
Yeah.
That's all that matters. Need my front lip still though. Alright, so side skirts on. Don't look too shabby. And then I'm gonna throw the rear on right now, or start mocking the rear up. Gotta jack this thing up, pull the wheels off, that way I can mount it from the inside. And then I'm probably gonna have to do a little bit of trimming on the rear, just because of, you can see the little hangers right there. I think the hangers are getting in the way, so we'll see how this thing lines up. And when I was putting the side skirts on, fucking the self-tap slipped, and fucking I drilled right through my damn hand. Womp womp womp. Get these in, and the other side, then we good. All right, so this is what it's looking like right now. Remember, we're still waiting on the front lip, and then here's the rear half of it. And my main reason on deciding to do the kit is because somebody decided to jack this thing up right in this area, and it just folded all that in there. So when you're looking at it, you can kind of see it when you're looking at it from an angle. And I figure it's like, well, here's my excuse to throw a kit on there, cover it up. This isn't gonna be like, all right, this is on painted. There's gonna be a lot more to this, so y'all just have to stay tuned. But again, we're still waiting on the front lip to get here. LMR decided to send me 2 rear bumpers instead of a full kit. So we gotta wait for that. Like a big part of my decision on getting this car also is because it's overheating. Like in traffic, this thing gets super hot. And some people are saying, oh, go electric fans. Like the stock clutch fan works phenomenal on here. Electric fans aren't gonna be really any better. And they just come with a bunch of headaches getting those things to work and cut on properly and all that stuff. So if I can avoid another issue, I'd rather not. But if I do decide to go electric fans, I'll probably do exactly what I did on 350Z, do some dual spall fans or something. But you can see this bumper is like super old, so it's all folded up. It doesn't really allow for much airflow. So once we get the new lip, this whole section gets cut off. The new lip goes over it. And then right there in the center of this piece where it says Mustang, I'm going to trim that out to be form-fitting of the bumper. That way we get more airflow through there. We definitely got to get more airflow to the front end on this thing. Yeah, but this is kind of the idea on what we have. I know people gonna hate it. I know. I'm already expecting it. But I promise y'all, once the vision is fully executed, you guys will appreciate the look that I'm going for on this thing. All right, so y'all can see it's kind of getting dark. I moved the Fox body out of the driveway. I literally been sitting here for about almost about the last hour. Just sitting right here looking at this thing from this angle, contemplating my next move. And that's literally how I do all my cars. I sit here and literally get a visual of everything and start putting stuff together in my head. So give y'all a little insider on what else I have planned and the reason why I decided to do these skirts. So if you look over here at this angle, you can see the skirts kind of bow out and they go flat in here, bow out. What I want to do is I'm going to make some custom splitters that mount up here, and then they're going to go to the front of these. And then what that means is probably all this space right here will be filled with the actual side splitter. So this will probably be about a good, I want to say 4 inches or so of side splitter going all the way down that way. And the same for the rear. Once I fully mount the rear up, it's going to kick it out like that. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make something that goes from here, wraps all the way around, and then I'm going to flush it up. So this will be custom. What I'm going to do is I'm going to probably tomorrow or so, I'll get some cardboard and I'll start making my custom templates. I haven't really made anything since my old Tilt 300ZX days. On that car I made all the splitters, all the canards and everything. So I think I'm gonna try to do that on this car. Go back to just kind of making custom aero, because I do want this car to stand out. It sucks because you guys really can't visualize it without the front lip, but hopefully in the next few days the lip will get here. But yeah, I think tomorrow I'm gonna start making the splitters for this thing. And that's the reason why I wanted to come out so far, have that nice concave, straight concave, just because I wanted an exaggerated splitter. And then the same exact thing will be back here, just to give y'all a better look. Y'all can kind of see how far out right there it bows, but like I said, I'm gonna flush it up with the splitter. Overall, the rear doesn't look bad at all. At first I kind of was like, I'm iffy on this, but it actually came out good. My original plan for this was I wanted to actually do a Cobra kit. I was gonna do the OEM Cobra, so Cobra rear valence, Cobra side skirts, and then I was gonna throw a Terminator front bumper on. But I decided with the color I'm going, one of my friends already has the Terminator front bumper. Even though the Terminator front bumper that I was using is gonna be a little different, I was just like, I don't want us to both be the exact same color and have the same bumper. Granted that he doesn't have the side skirts, he's not going as extreme as I am, but I was just like, I'll see how this looks first. But I do plan on maybe later on down the line doing that look, because that was my OG original plan for this thing, was to do the mock up a Terminator front bumper, hatchback like 93 Cobra side skirts, and the Cobra rear valence to make this thing kind of like a newer version of a Cobra. But yeah, like I said, I'm just literally sitting here walking around this thing, just brainstorming ideas and plans, because I already know everybody's gonna doubt the look that they see now, but it's all about the execution. All about the execution. So yeah, let's move this thing back in, and then tomorrow I'll start with making my splitters and stuff.